So this is how it is finally going to come out. You put all the momos in the momo maker and then put it to steam. So I'm not using it on the gas. I'm using the rice cooker, and then you just let the water boil. The water should be boiling, and then you put the momos in there, the container, shut the lid properly, and then now let it steam for at least about 15 minutes, and then you can check after 15 minutes. Right now it's looking very white. When after 15 minutes you'll see that it is cooked and the color changes. So I'll show you after 15 minutes how it looks like.